Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to download free fonts from fontspace.com. So I've already entered the website on my Chrome with fontspace.com. So you see a list of fonts here. There are a lot of fonts here that you can pick from and just download, but they are in zip file. So let's pick one, and you can reduce the view to make it more smaller. So then you just click on any one. So let's check this out. Let's download it. The network is loading, so it's still downloading. Okay, so there are a lot of fonts here that you can pick from. Just pick anyone you like, download. Now you see it's showed down that it's already downloading. So that's just it. You download your zip file of the font you want, then you unzip it. So that's all with that. Also download free font from Chrome. I'll be sharing with you how to unzip it and get the fonts in our next video. Thanks.